Well, you know what I always say when it comes to supercar repairs, mo money, mo problems. I promise you, I originated that. It's almost lyrical, but I originated that phrase, and I think it's very fitting. Mo money, mo problems when it comes to supercars. Anyway, it's not a race weekend, and I didn't want to bore you with all of the Formula One drama that is going on right now. Is there drama going on? I didn't really check this particular weekend. I know that Ferrari's making a lot more content with Lewis Hamilton and Charles Leclerc. They look like they're getting along really well. But anyway, we'll talk about Formula One a little bit more next week. For now, I kind of want to talk about super expensive car repairs. No, I'm not talking about $99 for an alternator, although that is freaking crazy. I'm talking about what does it cost to fix a Pagani Huayra? That's really difficult to say. Pagani Huayra. Well, according to the Supercar blog, engine replacement is 300 plus $1,000. Carbon fiber repairs are 100 plus $1,000, and Huayra Roadster exhaust system is $150,000. Now, if you like Miatas the same way I do, and you just say that you can get a decent quality Miata, one that runs and drives, and that you can take to autocross for about $10,000, the engine replacement alone on the Huayra is worth 30 Miatas. That's 30 Miatas. Carbon fiber repairs, 10 Miatas. Huayra Roadster exhaust system, that is 15. Perfectly good Miatas for those repairs. Let's move on to the Ferrari FXXK. You know, when you kind of look at it, it looks like a four-letter word, and they're trying to like block out the middle two characters. Can't unsee that now. All right. Anyway, the hybrid powertrain replacement is $500,000 plus dollars. It's one of Ferrari's most exclusive track-focused models, and it's got a hybrid powertrain. See, that's where that comes from. You're paying when you're doing a hybrid, you're paying for more than one drivetrain. It's like two drivetrains, two engines and transmissions systems that can go out at any time. Bentley Continental W12 engine overhaul, that is 15 Miatas. McLaren P1 hybrid battery replacement and system overhaul, that is over 200,000 or 20 perfectly good Miatas. And the Aston Martin 177 engine and transmission overhaul are $250,000 plus. Now, I was kind of going through the craziest multiple $100,000 repairs, but I did also want to touch on the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Its exhaust system can be replaced at the low price of 50,000 to 70,000 Miatas. Dollars. So yeah, you can get like 5 Miatas, 7 Miatas for that. I'm talking good Miatas, man. I mean, that's you gotta think to yourself, would you rather 10 Miatas or would you rather one good sounding Lamborghini? The answer's clear. All right, I've been Dalton. This has been the Petrol List, and you have been great. I'm out.